All right, hey, I'm having breakfast, and I just wanted to talk real quick about MyFitnessPal for anyone that's never used it and you want to try it out but don't really understand it. I'm gonna try to make it simple, just based on what I had this morning. You just click add a meal. This is what I did. I went onto MyFitnessPal, add add breakfast, and then it said, and then I click food, like add a food, and it gives me the option to scan a barcode of food. So look, the broccoli has a barcode right there. I'm able to scan it, and once the MyFitnessPal app scans a barcode of a food, usually it already in the app has the nutrition label information. You know, right there, this stuff. I don't have to look at the bag anymore and type it all in. It's already in MyFitnessPal. Okay, so I already got the information for the broccoli that I'm gonna eat. Next thing, I had some eggs. I made 7 of them. I scanned the barcode on the box of eggs that I eat. It has a barcode. I scan it. The information pops up. Servings, it says 1 egg. I just changed that to 7 servings. So it'll change the amount of calories in it and everything else, the protein, the carbs, the fats, the fiber, the calcium, all of that. It's already in MyFitnessPal. It's pretty simple. You don't have to do all the extra work. It's there. So I did that for the broccoli, the eggs, for the tortillas as well. The pack that they come in have a barcode. I scan the barcode. It comes up on the phone on the app. It says these type of tortillas. The calories is already written in there. I could just double check with the nutrition label on the actual bag. So I get the calories for the tortilla. Inside of the tortilla, I have some cheese. The cheese that I ate, they also have, the nutrition label in the back, the amount of calories per serving, the amount of fats, protein, carbohydrates, vitamins, all that. It's there, and it has a barcode as well. So I get my phone and I scan the barcode when I'm on MyFitnessPal, and then it'll pop up serving sizes. Is for the cheese that I had in here, serving size is 28 grams to complete 1 serving. I wanted 2 servings, so instead of putting the 28, I put 56 grams. The way I'm able to figure that out is because I have a food scale. So getting a food scale would help a lot if you really want to be tracking your calories and all that comes with it. So, like I said, in MyFitnessPal, I added the amount of broccoli that I'm eating, how many tortillas of these I'm having, how many eggs I'm eating, how much cheese I'm having. So all this information is now in MyFitnessPal, and it also adds up. It's gonna add up the calories for everything individually. It's gonna add it up. This is how much calories you're eating right now, and then you could also look at how much protein you're eating in this meal, how much fats you're eating in this meal, how many carbohydrates you're eating in this meal. It adds it all together. It's not that difficult, but it is if you're eating out like all the time, or if you're eating, let's say your mom's food or somebody else's food. You don't really know what you're eating, so it's more difficult to track the calories and all that extra stuff. That's it. And then right now I'm gonna have a couple of waffles, and just like anything else, barcode, scan it. If it doesn't pop up for some reason, you could always look up name of the brand and all that, and just search it, and they will pop out